All right, so my name's Aaron Loveland, and I am the CEO of this company. And Javier.
Hello, guys. My name is Javier Ivy. I am the CFO of Envision, and many of you guys may not know me yet. So let me tell you one thing about myself. One thing is that I really enjoy cats. I'm a cat lover. I love all animals, but I have two cats currently, and they are very mischievous. And then introducing Alyssa.
Hi, I am Alyssa, the CSO of Envision. Um, we're here today to talk to you about a strategic communications campaign that we've been working up to ensure that our company can progress smoothly and quickly. Let's go ahead and get started. So, lately, our company has been experiencing issues with a tense general atmosphere, mechanical error, and low productivity. These issues have prevented us from functioning effectively and cohesively, causing arguments among staff, wasted product, and you, our employees, to feel unvalued. We've seen this before. Almost all of us here worked fast food at one point in time. Do you remember the toxic atmosphere, the dread of heading into work or cutting corners just to escape situations? This is something we want to avoid and prevent in our professional business. Note this chart, stating boldly that employees are 12% more productive when happy. This statistic may seem small, but with each employee giving us 12% more, we'll have a 100% chance of a healthier and more successful work environment. The chart also mentions happier customers influenced by happier staff, company promotion through positive work culture, fewer sick days and work breaks, and most importantly, a low turnover rate. We choose each employee we've hired through careful delegation and knowledge on our areas of needed expertise. We don't want to lose anyone. We don't see our people as replaceable. So, what's going to change? The purpose of this communications campaign is to work together as a team to increase our company's bottom line. We will complete this goal by having regular meetings with our chosen team and encourage everyone to brainstorm ideas on how to save and make money for the company, whether that be through prizes, fixing mechanics, changing suppliers, or even just clear communication. This campaign will be targeting our team members, which consist of a mixture of managers, assistants, general employees, interns, and part timers. We will have regular weekly in person meetings to discuss bigger ideas, plans, and new incentives on Tuesdays. We chose Tuesday to avoid the grogginess and less involved mindset that Mondays bring, as proven through research done by a UK based scheduling firm called You Can Book Me. They stated the most optimal time to book a meeting is a Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. It's not too early in the morning and it's not too late in the week. We also plan to use other channels that our team members will regularly check, such as Zoom calls, emails, and text messages for smaller meetings, reminders, and check ins. All of these channels will be used daily. This campaign must be successful as we want to increase our profits and reinvest in company growth, increase our production rate and quality, and as I'm sure you'll all appreciate, increase our wages. All right, so what are our goals for this year? We're going to commit to the campaign for the duration of a year before we reassess. With this campaign, we will begin to build rapport between our team, reward goals met, and fix issues that may have been previously overlooked or go unnoticed in the chaos of our busy seasons. By the end of the year, we hope to see a 75% increase in production, wages raised by a minimum of 20%, more promotions from within, the implementation of our employees' ideas to increase productivity, and the most exciting, an extra weekend day for everyone. Now I will pass on to Aaron, who will tell us more.
Awesome. Thanks, Alyssa. So I had the psychographics and demographics within our company. So one of the most vital parts of a company running smoothly and efficiently is the psychographics and demographics within the company. So inside our company, we have a variety of workers aged 18 to 50 years and older. Seeing as many of the management will be an older generation and the employees are younger, problems with authority may arise in certain situations. While age may show the position you're in from management to intern, we want to make sure that everyone's input is shown to help the company grow and help fit the employees' incentives and individual needs. While also our employees are not being afraid to respectfully challenge some ideas if they believe that it will benefit our company's campaign. So our second key component is how our office workers and interns are valued and heard so that we can increase our bottom line more effectively. As the majority of our management will be older than our employees, they will be less open to technology. With the new generation becoming older every year, we want to make sure that our employees show a new generation perspective, especially with the latest technology and ideas that this new generation brings. We want to make sure everyone has an opportunity to be heard through the fresh outside perspective that they bring to the company. Our third component of our campaign is the importance of management. While management is the cornerstone to the company running smoothly, we want to make sure that they bring positive energy of encouraging our employees to keep up the great work that they bring to the table. Our management also brings a sense of reliability for our employees and interns to follow in their footsteps of helping the company become more successful every day. Management needs to respect our employees' perspectives, even though they may be hired inside the company. We want to make sure that our management understands that teamwork and employee input are key to making profits and increasing our bottom line. Along with this, our management must see and meet the expectations of our employees' individual needs. We want to ensure this because the lives that each of our employees have are going to be different from other people's lives. This will help employees work harder and put more effort into the company because they know that our management will create a safe work environment and respect the individual needs of our employees. So this is the ways you'll be contacted and our channels that we will be using in our company. So like every business, there are key components to having effective channels to communicate with managers, office workers, and interns within the company. Our first channel is weekly in-person meetings. This is a strategy we use to introduce big ideas and talk about goals we need to hit in the coming month for a monthly report or objectives we have already achieved. In-person meetings are what create a strong sense of teamwork and more essential communication with one another. The second channel is emails. Yes, we know that emails can be a basic way of communication, but it is the best way to send reminders, do checkups on employees, and notify employees on smaller things that do not need to be brought up in our weekly in-person meetings or monthly reports. The third is on monthly reports, which I will briefly touch base on. This is a channel used to show our progress over the month of our increase and decrease in profits. This monthly report will also give our employees weekly goals that we want everyone to strive for and accomplish. And then our last channel is text messages to our employees. We want to use this as a form of communication to reach out to certain individuals personally. This is a way to congratulate and encourage our employees on the good work that they provide to the company. It is a strong way to show employees that they are needed and admired for our company to run smoothly. This is also a great way to reach out to those who may be falling behind and may need help on certain daily objectives with our company's product. All these channels are creating a well-rounded work environment for every employee. Now I'll pass the time over to Javier.
All right, guys, my name is Javier. I'm going to be ending off this meeting. Thank you, Aaron and Alyssa, for going into what you went into. As you can see, I am going to be discussing the monthly reports that were previously mentioned. We plan to have these meetings every Tuesday, as previously mentioned, sometime after lunch, so that you guys have a little bit of food in your stomach to get the creative juices flowing, right? All right, we will be discussing in these monthly report as well in the last 20 minutes any ideas that you may have, although the bulk of our meeting is going to be discussing how these implemented ideas have impacted our company either positively or negatively. We will also discuss ways to improve these ideas with potential or possibly scrap them if we feel like it's just not doing too well. Alyssa, Aaron, and I have created a few graphs to show what's been going on recently with the company. As you all know, we've been increasing the quality of our material, and because of that, we've been able to charge more. Because we're charging more, we have increased our revenue. We also have improved the equipment that we've been using, and that way we have a lot less defective product, meaning that we can push more out there into the market, and in turn, we are making more money. And these are some of the examples of things that we will be going over in our monthly reports, just to see how ideas are affecting our bottom line. And as you can see, our revenue is up quite a bit. We've been making some smart choices based on your guys' feedback, which is actually what spurred on this idea that we should have a 20-minute brainstorming session with everybody, because we value everybody's opinion. Now, as I said previously, we're going to be setting aside 20 minutes at the end. Whatever you've been saying to yourself that you think could work for the company, but you think, I'm just a manager, I'm just an employee, I'm just an intern, it doesn't matter. We want to hear everybody's opinion, and we value everybody's opinion. And then feel free to share. Do not be embarrassed. Please do not be embarrassed. We are here and we do not judge. And we also have a bit of expectation for everybody. You will have a month to bring in at least one idea that you really think can influence the company. And we also expect you to participate. We do not want anybody to be quiet. We want everybody to feel welcome and everybody to feel valued. And then now, to get to the exciting part, there's going to be prizes. If we feel that you are really participating well and you're really putting your energy into this and you really care about the company, we do not intend to let that go unrewarded. Also, if you have a really good idea and it actually really improves the company and we see a large increase in our bottom line, we also plan to not let that go unrewarded. All right, everybody, that was our meeting. I hope everyone had a good time and everybody understand what is going to be going on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Aaron, or Alyssa. You all have a great rest of your day.